The new policy will undoubtedly have a positive impact on the company. The success of the project is undoubtedly due to the hard work and dedication of the team. The evidence against him is undoubtedly strong enough to convict him. The mistake was undoubtedly not intentional. The solution to the problem is undoubtedly explained in the manual. It is undoubtedly a violation of company policy. The benefits of the new program are undoubtedly outlined in the presentation. The danger of the situation was undoubtedly understood by all those involved. It is undoubtedly clear that she was not interested in his advances. The instructions are undoubtedly written and easy to follow. The new technology will undoubtedly improve efficiency and productivity. The change in leadership will undoubtedly bring fresh ideas and new strategies. The popularity of the product is undoubtedly due to its high quality and excellent performance. The increase in demand for the product is undoubtedly unexpected. The success of the company is undoubtedly due to its strong leadership and innovative approach. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.